Horseshoe crabs, ancient mariners of the sea, in the shadows of the ocean's edge, where land meets sea, resides a creature of ancient lineage, the horseshoe crab. Often misunderstood and overlooked, these remarkable marine animals have roamed the earth for over 450 million years, outlasting dinosaurs and witnessing the dramatic shifts of our planet. In this documentary, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating world of horseshoe crabs, unraveling their evolutionary history, ecological significance, and the intricate role they play in modern science and medicine. Horseshoe crabs are often referred to as living fossils, a testament to their enduring presence through Earth's geological epochs. Despite their name, horseshoe crabs are more closely related to spiders and scorpions than to true crabs. Their unique, dome-shaped shells and long spiked tails have remained largely unchanged for hundreds of millions of years. Fossil records indicate that their ancestors existed long before the first dinosaurs appeared, showcasing an evolutionary success story that few other species can claim. These ancient creatures have adapted to survive the changing conditions of the planet, from ice ages to mass extinctions. Their resilience is attributed to their simple, yet effective anatomy, which has allowed them to thrive in coastal environments across the globe. Horseshoe crabs are predominantly found along the eastern coasts of North America and Southeast Asia, where they continue to play a crucial role in their ecosystems. The anatomy of a horseshoe crab is as fascinating as its history. Their hard exoskeletons provide protection against predators, while their helmet-like carapace shields their soft bodies. Beneath this armor lies a complex physiology adapted for survival. Horseshoe crabs possess 10 legs, the first pair of which are adapted for feeding and the remaining for locomotion. Their most distinctive feature, however, is their long, pointed tail or telson, which they use primarily for steering and righting themselves if flipped over. Horseshoe crabs are also equipped with compound eyes that allow them to detect movement and changes in light, aiding in navigation and predator avoidance. Their blue blood, rich in copper-based hemocyanin, plays a vital role in oxygen transport and has a unique ability to clot in the presence of bacterial endotoxins, a characteristic that has significant implications for medical science. Horseshoe crabs are integral to the health of coastal ecosystems. Each spring, they emerge from the depths to spawn on sandy beaches, a spectacle that draws myriad shorebirds from around the world. The horseshoe crab eggs provide a vital food source for migratory birds, such as the red knot, which times its long journey from South America to the Arctic to coincide with this annual event. Beyond their role in avian diets, horseshoe crabs contribute to the marine food web. Their presence helps maintain the ecological balance, supporting various species of fish and invertebrates that rely on their eggs and larvae for sustenance. The decline in horseshoe crab populations can have cascading effects on these interconnected species, highlighting their importance in coastal biodiversity. One of the most remarkable aspects of horseshoe crabs is their contribution to modern medicine. Their blue blood contains limulus amebocyte lysate, LL, a substance that clots in the presence of bacterial endotoxins. This property is harnessed by the biomedical industry to test the sterility of medical equipment, vaccines, and intravenous drugs. The LAL test has become a critical component of ensuring patient safety, making horseshoe crabs indispensable to healthcare. However, the reliance on horseshoe crabs for LAL has raised concerns about their conservation. The bleeding process, while typically non-lethal, can affect the health and reproduction of the crabs. This has led to increased efforts to develop synthetic alternatives and promote sustainable harvesting practices to protect these ancient creatures from overexploitation. Despite their ecological and scientific importance, horseshoe crabs face numerous threats. Habitat destruction, coastal development, and climate change pose significant risks to their populations. The horseshoe crab's spawning grounds are particularly vulnerable, as beaches are eroded or modified by human activity, reducing the available habitat for reproduction. Overharvesting for bait in fisheries and biomedical purposes further exacerbates the pressure on horseshoe crab populations. Conservationists and scientists are working to address these challenges through research, regulation, and public awareness campaigns. Initiatives like beach restoration, protected areas, and the development of synthetic LAL alternatives are critical to ensuring the survival of horseshoe crabs for future generations. Horseshoe crabs are found in various parts of the world, with the American horseshoe crab, Limulus polyphemus, being the most studied. In Asia, 3 additional species, the tri-spine horseshoe crab, Tachypleus tridentatus, the coastal horseshoe crab, Tachypleus gigas, and the mangrove horseshoe crab, Carcinoscorpius rotundicauda, play similar ecological roles. These species face unique challenges, often compounded by cultural and economic factors. In some regions, horseshoe crabs are harvested for traditional practices or consumed as food, adding another layer of complexity to conservation efforts. International cooperation and region-specific strategies are essential to address the diverse issues these ancient mariners face across their range. The future of horseshoe crabs depends on a delicate balance between human needs and ecological preservation. Scientific advancements, such as the development of recombinant factor C, RFC, offer hope for reducing reliance on horseshoe crab blood for endotoxin testing. This synthetic alternative mimics the clotting process of LAL, providing a sustainable option for the biomedical industry. Public education and awareness are also crucial in fostering a greater appreciation for horseshoe crabs and their role in our world. By highlighting their importance to ecosystems and human health, we can inspire collective action to protect these remarkable creatures. Conservation efforts must continue to evolve, integrating new technologies and strategies to safeguard horseshoe crabs against the threats they face. Horseshoe crabs are a testament to the resilience of life on Earth, bridging the ancient past with the modern world. Their continued survival is not just a matter of ecological interest, but a critical component of our shared natural heritage. Through understanding and protecting horseshoe crabs, we honor their ancient legacy and ensure that these extraordinary creatures remain a part of our planet's future. As guardians of the shorelines, horseshoe crabs remind us of the interconnectedness of life and the profound impact we have on the environment. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering global cooperation, we can preserve their presence in the tapestry of life, ensuring that their story continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.